going through the wrong beats and instrumentals. And this comes down to also you having to build your style, because if you're going through the wrong beats, you're not going to build your style properly. You may be going through beats, I like the way this sounds. That doesn't mean it matches your style. One of the first things you should do is figure out what kind of beats actually work for you, not just what kind of beats you like. There's a big difference. And a lot of artists they just go through beats, You need to understand what your style is before you do that. What is the sound type? Do you make darker music? Do you make like kind of instrumentation is going to work best with your tone of voice? Those are things you got to figure out. I can't figure those out for you. I can tell you that you need to do them first. It's going to save you a tremendous amount of time, because there's a lot of bad beats out there. You don't want to sometimes I used to go, before I started making my own beats, and me and AG making beats together, man, like there was days where I threw over 1,000, 1,200 beats. I think it was maybe over 1,500 beats one day. I'm seriously, I'm counting. I go through entire catalogs, and then a catalog, I'm not gonna go through this. I have other videos explaining this. But anyway, it's a huge waste of time if you don't actually figure out what works for you.
Yo, Rob, you're gonna change the fucking game, man.
Listen, on everything, I watch you every day. I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. Like the shit that you be talking about, bro, I listen to it every day, man.